like a baddie, girl. You look like me, girl. The finished look. Come get it closer. Look. Oh, yes. This is the finished look.
Pulling up, no Pirellis. Me and my girls, we hopping out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, Princess Gang? It's Princess Layah. I'm back with another video. So today, you guys, is the big day for the girls. They are having their dance show, you guys. So I'm actually getting them ready. I know a lot of y'all had joined my live when I was doing their hair the other day. So I wanted to make sure I let y'all in on this and this whole experience. Today is the actual real day. The other day was just pictures. So I'm going to do their hair and makeup just a little different than what I did yesterday. So make sure before y'all get to the video, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so I get my videos as soon as I drop. Also, subscribe to the cute little brown girls channel. And I'm so excited. They're so excited. We went to rehearsal earlier and it was so freaking amazing. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get them ready. I had put this on her hair on the live, but I'm not going to use this ponytail because as y'all can see, it's really, really stiff and just like tangly. So I bought her another ponytail that like is an actual ponytail that I'm going to put on here. That's going to look so much better. And yeah, so we're going to get this together. I just love them. And it's gonna be really, really quick since I already kind of did most of the work yesterday. So really, I just gotta take this off.
I'm actually really like nervous.
You nervous?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Why?
Because like I'm scared.
You're gonna do good. You did okay earlier. Just you know.
My Wigs said okay.
She did because I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
She did good. You did really good.
You did really good. It's just that I feel like you could have did better. The reason why you didn't do as good is because you're focusing on what them other girls is doing. If you know the dance, do the dance. Because what's gonna happen is all those other girls are gonna do is just follow your lead. Somebody has to be a leader. So you just gotta be confident in what you're doing.
So this is what we are starting on. Like this. Now stop touching it for a minute. Okay,
Right,
so that's what we're starting
yesterday
on.
I used some products that I probably won't use today. I'm going to use hairspray to mold it really good because I don't feel like that other stuff made her hair or their hair stay the way I wanted it to. So today we're going to be using hairspray and the blow dryer.
Blow dryer.
Make sure you're not moving that camera too much, babe.
Okay.
I need it to be still. Ooh, it's cold. So,
You sprayed it in my eyes.
sorry, baby. I should have warned you.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speaks. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, on your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
You wanna be a baddie? Well, why did you ask? Do I look like a baddie? Why did you ask that?
I don't know. It's because Soraya said I'm leaving him. I thought I looked like a guy.
Well, ain't nothing wrong with looking like a baddie, girl. You look like me, girl.
Oh, wow. Wait, no, you still got your lipstick. Your lipstick.
Girl, chill. Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, here, Soraya. Don't forget this. Now, we gotta put this in your hair.
Hey, you put that in there. Put that in there.
Okay.
I just wanna get away, sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions of me.
My hair
Here you go, boo.
I'm doing my hair too.
This is the finished look. Come get it closer. Look. Oh, yes. All right, little girl, come on. Now for my second little munchkin munch. Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do is basically what I did to me. Alright.
Where's my bun at? My bun. Look at me. So this is my bun. Anyway.
Oh, that's
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your feet, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You know my foot, no. Hold me till I scream for every.
Finished look. Oh, look at her. Yes. This is the finished look. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. I'm actually about to pack my dance mom bag, so y'all stay tuned for that video. And love you guys so much.